So, he added steps so that he doesn't kill himself again.
Only died for a few minutes.
Then you're resurrected and sore forever.
Still sore.
What are you working on today?
Putting the paneling up over this insulated wall. But that piece of metal is going to have to come down because I made it too tight. And I've decided I don't like it anyway.
Really?
Yep.
Are you keeping it up here though?
Yes. That'll be the utility room, so I'm going to leave it up there. And that all matches. This I was going to do like metal, wood, metal, wood, metal. And I decided I don't like it, so I'm just going to insulate it, cover it with a sheet of OSB or something, and then maybe cover it with pallet wood.
Nice.